There was a time in my life when everything felt like it was falling apart. I had big dreams, big plans, and big goals. But every day, I kept failing myself in the smallest ways. I would say, tomorrow, I'll start early, but tomorrow came, and I overslept again. I'll work on my goals after lunch, but afternoon came, and I got distracted again. Little by little, my dream was slipping away, not because I wasn't talented, not because I wasn't capable, but because I was inconsistent. One day, after missing another important task, I sat on my bed frustrated, tired, and almost ready to quit. That is when something so simple came to my mind, something I had ignored for so long. Just set an alarm. Not an alarm for waking up, not an alarm for going to bed, an alarm for my dream. I opened my phone and set a daily alarm for 7 p.m. with one label. Work on your dream for 30 minutes. Just 30 minutes. Just one alarm. Just one small commitment. The first day, I almost ignored it. The second day, I argued with myself. The third day, something changed. I showed up. Those 30 minutes became my turning point. They forced me to pause, refocus, and remember what truly mattered. Over time, 30 minutes grew into 1 hour, then 2. Before I knew it, the tiny alarm had turned into a daily habit, a non-negotiable routine that pushed my dream back to life. Weeks passed, and I started seeing results. Months passed, and I started seeing progress. 1 year later, that single alarm had created massive success, the kind I once thought was impossible. And the truth is simple. Your dream doesn't need a perfect plan. It needs a consistent moment. One small action repeated daily can transform your whole life. So if you're tired of delaying your future, do what I did. Set an alarm. Show up. Let that be the moment your life changes. This is the alarm that saved my dream, and it might just save yours too.